What's good, everyone? This is Zar here coming to you with more information. Today, I want to address a topic that had to do with my alumni school, Shippensburg. Two individuals, Kenneth J. Brown and Connor E. Marcico. These individuals recently were convicted of robbery. One individual, Kenneth J., actually ended up getting 11 to 23 months in prison, as well as 3 years probation once he's released, versus his assailant, who actually got 2 years probation. Now, allegedly, there's talk that Connor, his father, who's a district attorney, helped him get out of it. Now, I'm not really sure how far that goes, but I don't know if that was possible, being the charges at hand. But objectively, if you look at the situation, these two individuals obviously didn't use the same attorney, which could have easily changed the tide of the battle for both of them. If you have a district attorney that doesn't understand law and know different loopholes, it's easy for an individual to end up actually getting the charges instead of getting it off with what he normally would have in that scenario. So in this scenario, my personal thoughts is that background didn't matter. These were two individuals that honestly went for an education and should have been focusing on that, but ended up robbery. But I'm not really sure if they did it for financial means or for a thrill, but regardless, this should show parents that make sure your kids know what they're going for an education for. I don't know if Connor had a monetary background with his parents versus Kenneth, but what I do know is that regardless of the background you have, when you go to school, you have to have in mind the focus and what you're trying to accomplish. This case going forward, though, objectively, I'd like to know your opinion and your thoughts on the scenario. I personally I'm in a gray area, but if I had to lean towards any scenario, I would say the attorney difference made why the individual got probation versus some time and probation, being first-time offenders if they were, or with the background they each had. Allegedly, a background was prior with Kenneth, but that hasn't been proven visually for the public. So just let me know your opinion in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Do you think that these individuals deserve that ending, or whether or not it was bias because of racial indications? All alleged. Down below, let me know what is good. All rights reserved.